Okay, this is actually an equation of an ellipse. Whether you know that or not is incidental. What I'm going to claim over here is I would pick really simple points to start with. And someone says, what points would you pick? Well, you notice I'm not going to use my graph anymore on problem number 6. I'm getting a little bit stronger over here. I probably would pick x equals 0. And what would that give me? Well, looking at it would give me y equals plus or minus 2. Now, why is that? If x is 0, you'd have to have 9 times 4 to get 36. So, again, squaring it, it would have to be plus or minus 2. So let's write this down. X is 0, I get plus or minus 2. Okay, what else would I pick? I would pick another really simple point. I'd pick y equals 0. And what would this give me? X squared equals 36. What does that mean? Well, that's pretty simple. X would be plus or minus 6. Whoops. I didn't put an equal sign down, did I? Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By the way, we're not looking for great pictures. Let's see, 1, 2. Well, I had to go backwards. You know what? I'm bad at counting. What can I tell you? And someone says, I still don't know what it looks like. You got to take more points. What's the problem with taking points? They may be terribly difficult to compute. But I got to be honest with you, you could. All right? And as you study these things more, they become incredibly simple to graph. Incredibly simple to graph. All right? But I'm going to say take as many points you like. But I'm going to say maybe something like this over here. And what's that thing supposed to look like? An ellipse. I hope you realize my ellipse is not very good. I want to look at the graph. And what's that graph going to be? This is number 6. Yeah, this is a long document, huh? Well, there's their picture. Much better, right? Ooh, I made a mistake. Is this the right picture? Graph 6. This can't be the right picture. And I'll tell you why. I have to correct it. It's x squared plus 9y squared. Equals 36. I have the wrong picture down. X squared plus 9y squared equals 36. Okay, it can't be the right picture. By the way, these points are good. These points are no good. All right, what are they saying? That if y is 0, x would be plus or minus 3. It's not. It should be over here at 6 and at minus 6. All right? So I have to correct the picture. So the picture needs to be corrected. Correct. All right, make sure it's referring to the same thing. I could have made that mistake. What if I copied the wrong problem? I don't think so. I have to correct the picture. That happens sometimes. All right, thank you. Oh, by the way, before I forget, if you think I made an error, please bring it to my attention. My name is Ron Bannon. Email address is Bannon. That's B as in boy, @NNON.US. Please feel free to reach out to me, especially in something like this. It's pretty much an egregious error of the problem, all right? We'll get back to that, though. I'll correct it. Thank you.